Hey, welcome to Trying Harder. I'm Guido and today we have a big old box brought to you by iRobot and Best Buy. I want to thank iRobot and Best Buy for giving me this product to review. What is this product? If you can see, it's obviously a robot. It's a J9 Plus iRobot Roomba Combo, which is robot vacuum and mop with clean base and auto refill dock. Pretty sweet. Let's check out this box real quick. So here we got a picture what it's gonna look like. Let's see if there's any useful information on here. Pretty much what I said on the top. Looks like it has a nice little cubby to go inside of. Let's see what's on the side. Here's something a little more useful. Nice diagram of what the internals look like. So we got the water refill, dirt canister, got the tube for filling the water, Wi-Fi, and it's gonna have a Google Play or an Apple Store app. On this side, you're gonna get a view of what the vacuum looks like, the underneath of it. So here's the mop pad, rollers in the middle, a little brush to pull debris in, your two tires. See if there's anything note here. 100% higher power lifting, pretty good suction compared to the iRobot Series I. Refills and empties its own bin, applies pressure for deep scrubbing. That'll be interesting. And then these are all different languages. And that's pretty much all there is to see, besides the actual unit. So let's get in here. This is my third iRobot, so I'm pretty interested to see how this one stacks up compared to the other ones. Right off, they have instructions getting started, glued to the top. Really glued on there. All right, so that's pretty handy. Let's see what are in these boxes. This thing's packed in here pretty tight. Nice little warning to pick up with both hands. Thank you. I want to get this out of the way first though. This feels like the actual robot. Let's go ahead and start here. Taped up. There we go. Woo, nice. Not too shabby. Here's the back side of it. Got that nice fresh electronic smell. Set that to the side. Some of the pads. Power cable. An extra brush. Extra filter. Some more instructions. And a warranty. That's all in this box. Okay, the two-handed one. That's the last piece. What's under this bag? We obviously know what's under the bag, it's the base. But, what's it look like? Get out of here. This is a pretty big base. It's nice that it has a faux wood finish though, to kind of make it fit in the room a little better. There's the compartment that's the home for the robot. Here's the back. Has a handle and a place for the extra power cord length. There's the on button on top of the faux finish. And then it's gonna open up with this leather tab. You have some storage for extra bags. That's nice. Here's the refillable water container. This one doesn't come out, but this drawer holds your dirt bin, whatever fancy term you want to say for that. Really looks like a mini fridge of robot cleaning. And lots of little plastics to pull off. There's the bin. Get this off the robot. Pull out the packing. Looks like we gotta attach a pad. One pad coming up. Slide it in. Little tab, and then just let the Velcro take care of the rest. Now we got our mop section. Should say mop. It's just a pad. Then we should see how this thing looks in its home. Get in your home, robot. All right, there's the contents of the box. Nothing unexpected here. Typical stuff that'd come with an iRobot. It's a lot bigger than I thought, especially the base. I suppose the robot itself is about as big as I thought it would be. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing. I'm gonna get cracking on this review so I can get everyone updated on my opinion on this robot vacuum / mop. Like the other videos, throw it in the comments if you have any questions, comments, anything you want me to check out for my review process. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, all the things. And you better watch out because these robots and AI are coming in hot. So if you want to keep your job, you better trying harder.